Onpassive is always on our minds. Friends, we have been waiting for the arrival of Onpassive for the benefit of our founders and humanity. There is an awareness that Onpassive is about to go into pre-launch. As we know, Onpassive really launched since the start, the day of starting to gather the entrepreneurs to join that vision. Let's fast forward to where we are today. Slowly and methodically, Mr. Ash Mafare and staff have started revealing some of Onpassive's arsenal of digital and artificial intelligence and machine learning products. They have given us a glimpse of the e-learning system called Ocademy. In this launch, founders will be able to test Ocademy to see how it performs, before being opened to the world. We will be also testing O-Bless, O-Tracker, O-Trim, O-Staff, and others following soon. We are where we all want to be. These coming days will change our lives. There is seismic activity happening all over the globe, and Onpassive is causing it. The shaking of the internet is taking place right now. Those who do not know have not been paying attention. Founders in Onpassive know what is causing this shaking of the internet. They know that the big one is imminent. The earthquake called Onpassive. Stay tuned. A Bill Must production.